the income statement learning quiz. So 5 short questions to test your understanding of the concepts of this lesson. So give 2 other names often used for revenue. And the 2 that I was thinking of were turnover and top line, although some people also sometimes refer as sales as being revenue. Explain the accrual principle. In broad terms, recognition of revenues and expenses in a firm's accounting records should reflect the substance of business transactions, regardless of when cash is exchanged. We can define this further as revenue should be recognized when earned, regardless of when paid for, and expenses should be recognized when incurred, regardless of when paid for. Explain the difference between expenses taken through cost of sales and expenses taken through other operating expenses. Expenses taken through cost of sales are for the cost of producing products or services that the firm has sold to customers, while other expenses are for the cost of running the business, such as head office expenses and marketing costs. Give some examples of income reported as other income. And you could have come up with rental income, dividends received, income on financial investments, which could include associates and joint ventures, and gains and losses on disposals. And finally, explain what gross profit, core operating profit, and operating profit or PBIT, profit before interest and tax, show. So gross profit first, the profit made solely from trading goods. Core operating profits, so this is gross profit less the cost of running the business, so that's the operating profit from core assets after all expenses. And finally, operating profit or profit for interest and tax, PBIT. And this is core operating profit plus other operating income. And this is the operating profit generated on all of the firm's assets, both core and non-core. And those are the questions that we've looked at.